Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show the Shappell 6500i setup, takedown, and then I'll give you a full walk around and show you what it looks like set up. I'm going to put in a couple anchors. It's pretty windy out. Here's the anchors that come with it. You'll get 4. And then I purchased this off of eBay. This will just sit in there. Helps you screw the anchors into the ice with your cordless drill. I'll put a description and a link where I got it from. First step you want to do is pop up the center. Next step is to pull out each individual side. And it's set up. This is the Shappell 6500i. Retails around $329.99. The floor area is 90 by 90 by 80-inch high ceiling, and it weighs in around 42 pounds. It's made with 600 denier insulated fabric, has 6 removable windows, and 2 entry doors. Let's take a walk inside. These windows are nice. They just Velcro in place. There's some ventilation ports on each side for running your space heater. And the windows are set up at a good spot. You got 2 doors. You got your front door and a back door, depending on which way the wind's from or where you want to sit, how you want to set it up. There's plenty of space inside. You could probably get easily 4 guys inside of here fishing. And this is the 6500 insulated version. Plenty of space. The only thing I do notice is the doors are a little tight. The fabric is brand new yet, so I'm hoping that the doors will open and close easier once the fabric stretches out. So let's go ahead and set it back down, see how long it takes to put it away. First step is just to push in each side. Next, you can remove your anchors. And your final step is to push the roof down and then fold it up. It fits back nicely into the bag, which comes with it. It's got a storage pouch for your anchors. put your anchors back in the side pouch so you don't forget them when you're out on the ice. It's supposed to be designed for carrying on your back, but I tell you what, you're not going to be walking too far with this on your back, weighing in at 43 pounds and carrying your sled out there. Probably not going to happen, so better off just throw it inside your ice sled. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and remember, get outdoors with Deano.